Ever wondered how channels are pulling in millions of views with nothing but simple cartoon animations? This channel has grown to 4.9 million subscribers by posting only slapstick animation videos. And some of their biggest uploads have already crossed 10 million, 9.6 million, and 9.5 million views. The craziest part? You can make the same style with AI in just a few minutes. Take a look at one I created.
A slow tortoise just found rocket shoes, and everything is about to explode into chaos.
He's faster than everyone, but stopping is suddenly the real problem.
One crazy bounce turns the whole desert into a giant pinball machine. The finish line is an oasis, but the rocket still won't quit. Fast isn't always better, like for more crazy desert adventures.
Now let's jump straight into the process. The first step is opening the master prompt linked in the description below. I've already prepared everything for you, so simply copy the entire prompt from beginning to end. Next, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 funny and highly engaging slapstick animation ideas. Browse through the list and choose whichever concept stands out the most. Once you've decided, type the number of your favorite idea and hit enter again. ChatGPT will instantly generate 5 complete scenes for your video, including detailed image prompts, animation prompts, and voiceover scripts for every scene. Everything is already organized and ready to use. Start by copying the Scene 1 image prompt, then head over to Google Flow. From the top menu, select Image. Choose your preferred image settings, paste the prompt, and click Generate. After a few moments, your first image will be ready. Pick the version with the strongest expressions and the most dynamic composition. Click the three-dot menu on that image and choose Add to Prompt. This helps maintain the same characters, style, and environment throughout the rest of your scenes. Now copy the Scene 2 image prompt, generate it the same way, and continue repeating this workflow until every scene image has been created. With all the images finished, it's time to animate them. Open your first image, click the 3 dots, and select Animate. Choose Omni Flash as the video model, then set the duration between 6 and 8 seconds. Before adding your animation prompt, you have 2 different approaches. If you're making a video focused entirely on visual comedy, copy the prompt without the voiceover section and simply ask Google Flow to generate funny sound effects instead. If you want a narrated video, copy the prompt exactly as ChatGPT generated it, including the voiceover. That's the option I'm using here. Paste the prompt, hit enter, and your first animated scene will be ready within seconds. Repeat this exact workflow for every remaining image until all of your scenes have been converted into animated clips. Once everything is complete, download every video. Import all the clips into your favorite video editor and arrange them in the correct order from beginning to end. After the sequence looks smooth and everything flows naturally, export the final video. And that's it. Your viral slapstick cartoon animation video is ready to upload. That's the entire workflow. If you want more tutorials on the newest viral AI content ideas before everyone else catches on, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.